to understand encoder circuit commonly used in digital electronics. So specifically we talk about 4:2 encoder, where in the left side in the logic block we see there are 4 input data lines ranging from D0, D1, D2 and D3. On the right side of it there are 2 output which are called as coded output Q1 and Q0. So if you want to encode data input D0, there are 2 outputs available, Q1 and Q0, and on the right side you see how it is done by means of truth table. So if you see the truth table, D0 in the first row is logic 1, whereas D3, D2, D1 they are all 0. So D0 is coded in the output as Q1 and Q0 both 0 0. That's how the encoder works. It provides you a coded output for a specific input. If you want to select D1 in the form of a coded output, you see in the second row D1 is 1, other inputs are 0, and its coded output is Q1, Q0, 0, 1 respectively. For D2 in the third row the coded output is 1 0. For D3 in the fourth row the coded output is 1 1. So that's how the encoder provides you a coded output for a specific input one at a time. Other inputs are not enabled, only one at a time gets enabled. Finally, in the final row, when all inputs D3 to D0 all are 0, the coded output Q1 and Q0 are don't care conditions. It doesn't matter.